Let's make a bracelet together. Oops. Put the pearls. And now the clay beads. Mix. Now prepare a piece of elastic thread and cut. I put a clamp so that the bracelet doesn't come off. This is the color combination. And I start making the bracelet. There is less left. Adding the pearl. Next series. Fast. We're almost done. Finish! Now we have to tie the bracelet. There is a tutorial for the knot on my channel. Cut excess. All done. If you liked it, give it a like and subscribe for more.